TikTok's parent ByteDance launches Resso in India. After almost 3 months of testing, TikTok's parent company ByteDance has finally launched its music streaming service Resso in India. The app is available on both Android and iOS platforms. According to TechCrunch, Resso has signed deals with Sony Music Entertainment, Warner Music Group, Merlin and Beggars Group, T-Series, Saregama, Z Music, YRF Music, Times Music, Tips, Venus and Shemaru, Speed Records, Anand Audio, Lahiri Music, Devo and Music 247 to make their library available on the app. Similar to YouTube, you get the option to comment and interact with people on Resso. This way, ByteDance is betting on social features to stand out in the Indian streaming industry dominated by big players like JioSaavn, Spotify, Apple Music, and Gaana. Another unique feature of Resso is what the company calls Vibes. With Vibes, you can upload pictures, videos, or GIFs to a song and share it with your friends. The app also lets you follow your friends and generate lyrics posters. The app offers a free ad-supported tier where you can stream music at 128 kilobits per second. If you're interested to stay away from ads, you may opt for the premium subscription that costs 99 rupees per month on Android and 119 rupees per month on iOS. It also bumps the streaming quality to 256 kilobits per second and brings unlimited skips. The pricing falls in line with competitive streaming services. In case you're unaware, the premium tier of Gaana, Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music starts at 99 rupees per month. It isn't immediately clear why Resso has priced the premium subscription of iOS higher than Android.